This was our video last January of 2023 in Taiwan. So in this video, I would like to talk about the procedure of the company, Railway International, by our Senior Director IBC. She said McDonald franchise was duplicated in so many countries because the system of the franchising, the operations, the procedures, the investors were really interested in buying. Similarly, in Reway, it is the system that is really sellable. How the procedure are duplicated is why keeps Reway apart from all other companies. So she said, I am a normal smart student growing up. I realized that how you react, how you think, and how you change your thinking is important. Experience, may it be bad or good, is a lesson learned. Whenever I am scolded, scared, confused, I think of these experiences. Now that you are a bit more successful, remember all those experiences as you strive to understand the difficulty in managing people. CEO Mr. Lim Boon Hong influences me to understand the people and the system. So today, Mr. Lim Boon Hong does the same system and produces and procedures for 17 years over and over again. It is so simple. So the 16 pages of OPP booklet is what made Rewi successful for the past 17 years, how it is duplicated by millions of people in the world. So the tool is already provided. So we have this booklet, 16 pages, was the preparation of this was done by our CEO himself. 16 pages, you don't need to add or reduce. You can just talk what's in the pages of the 16 pages of the OPP. So this is so simple and you can easily duplicate it. You don't need to be a medical doctor or what, because our product is not medicine. That is very important. So all you have to do is to regularly attend all the seminars and training. Okay. So according to Miss IBC, the easiest OPP and the more accurate it is, the more it can be duplicated. Making OPP complicated is harder and cannot guarantee success. That's why here in Reway, everyone can do the OPP. Okay, whether you are elementary level, you have two courses, and all, as long as you follow, you duplicate that simple, then your leaders and members can also duplicate you. So all the answers you are looking for is in new distributors orientation. We call that NDO. Piece of paper and NDO can explain very complicated. You don't need to make it very complicated. It's very simple. So Mr. Lim Boon Hong mastered and the author the NDO. It takes him 10 minutes to solve a problem using the NDO. The NDO is very important for the new members to start in Railway, especially the number one. So now go back and listen, understand, and with your heart the NDO. They said that those who are already Team Elite Pegasuses, they watch and listen the NDO for at least 50 times. So can you imagine that? Because that is the formula. Why do people do OPP over dinner? Okay, some they have the table talk OPP with small group only, because here in the MDO it is said that 20 contact list. It means that you have already people in your mind, that is high chance to convince them instead of doing cold marketing, which cold marketing also works for so many people. But in this NDO, the CEO teaches us that you have to have the contact list, your nieces, your nephews, relatives, friends. You can have them Okay, you can have them in your contact list. You can start with them. Small OPP, small gathering, five people is ideal number. So maybe because the closing percentage is higher when done in small group, you really have to master the OPP, the NDO first and foremost when they register when Reway as members. So according to IBC here, when the person already is a member, the next step for him is the NDO. For some, and they couple that the OPP with the marketing plan, especially if they're talking to business people or people who wanted to earn fast. But of course, NDO should not be ignored. That would be the next step also. Now, next, your priority is focusing on how to build a team and getting them recognized on stage. This will ensure that they remain active as there is a steady flow of income. So next, make them Pegasus so they can feel the application effort and cost Reway puts into recognizing them. So we have this recognition every quarter. So gala dinner, anniversary nights are done for the distributors even without profit. Reway welcomes everyone without discrimination or charging anyone entrance fee. All you have to do is to pay your hotel accommodation and your flight, and the events are all free by the company. So the company is willing to invest this huge amount of money for its leaders just to let them feel the value they are valued.